welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mal, and today's video is all about this hair that I'm wearing on my head. This unit is from Max Glam Hair. This is my second review with Max Glam Hair. I will link the other one in the description below. So we're gonna try to install it in this video. I'm gonna show you guys the process of how I do that, and you'll see the overall completed look. I've worn this for about 3 days now, so yeah, I feel like I really love it. I'm kind of gonna give you my final thoughts now. So let's jump right into it and stay tuned. Before I forget, I have a discount code for how you can save money from Max Glam Hair. So I will be putting that on the screen, and I will include it in the video description bar and all that good stuff, so you guys can save money on your purchase. The code is MALRIE, and yeah, you'll save money from this Max Glam Hair. Okay, anyway, love you guys, bye. So yes, let's get into this install. The unit came in a silk bag. Here is how it came. Really perfect, like kind of ringlety deep wave curls. This is a T-part unit with lace down the center and the perimeter. It also came with combs along all sides, and then an adjustable band in the back like usual. The only feedback that I would say is that a unit like this should probably be bleached, like the knots, before you go ahead and install it. I did not do that, and that was kind of the only thing that I noticed that I wish I would have done, or I wish would have kind of been done for me. But other than that, it comes pretty much perfect. So I went ahead and put my hair in 2 braids, threw on my wig cap, and now I'm brushing out this unit. Before installing it, I'm going to do the wig cap method, so I'm going to glue down this wig cap. So now that I have my wig cap on, I'm gonna plop on this hair and position it exactly how I want it. This is something that I used to overlook, but now I spend a good amount of time ensuring that the parting is lined up exactly where I want it to be. So once you get your unit on exactly where you want it, you can go ahead and grab your Got2b freeze spray. That is the product that I've been using. That's what I learned to kind of start doing this with, and it's been working for me. So I'm taking my freeze spray and I'm just giving it a good spray. I like to work in sections. I find that it works the best for me. So I'm going ahead and doing the sides first. The sides always give me a bit of a problem, so I've decided that starting with them is the better solution. So really all that you're going to do is grab your blow dryer, put it on the cold setting, use a rat tail comb to hold that lace down, and yeah, just blow dry it and push it down with the rat tail comb until it's no longer tacky or sticky. And this is something that I did on both sides, and then I went ahead and did the front portion of the unit. Now I did not cut the lace before doing this, because when my wig is brand new, I like to install it, apply it, glue it down completely, and then go ahead and cut the lace off. I've found that that method is the easiest for me. You're gonna notice a little bit of that Got2b freeze spray is in the front of my unit. It's not a big deal. I'm gonna use the mousse afterwards, and it's all going to be hidden. I think I could definitely work on my technique in being a little bit less messy, but I'm definitely still learning. So I don't usually mind if there's a little bit of that in the front, because like I said, I can really easily get it out with some mousse or a little bit of water after my unit is completely laid down. So what I'm doing here is I'm sectioning off a portion of the front of the unit because I'm gonna cut some baby hairs. I used to be really afraid of doing this, but it makes a huge difference, and I think it overall makes the wig look a lot more natural. So I'm taking a razor and I'm just really going crazy and trimming quite a lot of shorter hairs around the front. I've learned this technique of applying my lace fronts from a compilation of other hairstylists and other, YouTubers and such. So for your own self, if you're learning, I would recommend just watching multiple different videos and styles and finding somebody who seems like they know what they're doing and just kind of copying them. Honestly, practice makes perfect. I used to really suck at this, but I've gotten a lot better just from watching different videos and trying different techniques myself. I will link a couple of my favorite videos in the description bar to help you guys out as well. So what I'm doing now is I went ahead and I, of course, let the entire unit set for at least 30 minutes. Now I'm taking my razor, I made some slip in the lace, and I'm really carefully using that razor to trim off the excess lace. The reason that I stress to do this really carefully is because if you cut the lace wrong, you basically mess up your entire wig. So be really diligent and take your time doing that step. Don't rush it, and make sure that you're lining it up with where you want your wig to sit. I'm doing my baby hairs. I was struggling to do these ones because I didn't cut them short enough, so please take note of that for your own self. Make the baby hairs short at the front and it will be a lot easier to lay them down. But you can see here that I'm going over them. I usually do them with mousse first, and then I take a little bit of Got2b glue or some hairspray and I spray it on the comb and do them again just so that they really set. I'm going to wrap my head in a silk scarf so that my edges lay down, and once maybe about 10-15 minutes go by, I can take this off. Really what I wanted to do was revive the curls, bring them back to life, and as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I did not want to be brushing through this hair while it was on my head after just laying it down. So that was the reason for brushing it out prior. Now it's just a quick comb through and really just to get those curls revitalized. I went ahead and threw some mousse and a couple other styling products in there just to really hold that beautiful bouncy water wave curl in place. And yeah, that's really it. You guys get to see the unveiling in just a second when I take off this scarf. So my overall thoughts on this unit are that I was actually really impressed. This curly hair was gorgeous. I feel like when a company sends you curly hair and you're able to test it, it gives you a really good idea of the overall products and what their overall quality is really like, because curly hair will tell you if it's good or not within the first few wears. I was able to wear this unit for a full week and I didn't experience any type of excessive shedding or tangling. I thought the hair was really soft, the curl pattern was gorgeous. I haven't tried to apply heat to it yet, so I will update you guys on how it handles heat, but overall this unit was, really impressive. The other unit that I had from Max Glam Hair was a straight unit in blonde, and I loved that hair quality as well. I will link that video down below if you guys want to see that unit and how I installed it and styled it. But yeah, I'm quite impressed with this. The only feedback that I would have is that I would have liked the knots to already have been bleached. So I'm putting my finishing touches on this unit, as you guys can see, and that's basically it. Let me know down below what you think of this hair, and have you ordered from Max Glam Hair before? If you would like to purchase this unit or any others, you can definitely get a little bit of a discount by using my code MALRIE. I have it displayed on the screen here so that you guys can save some money off your purchase. And like I said, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on this hair or any other units that you want me to try out that you're curious about. I can't get over the curl with this, and the color, I think it was really, really pretty. I loved how soft it felt. So here's just some final clips of me with the hair damp, and then some more once it's dried, so you can really get a good feel and look at what this looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!